In this video, you'll learn how to create a service product on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully set up a service that customers can request and pay for, enhancing your offerings on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Stan Store interface. Once you are logged in, look for the left sidebar. Here, you will find various options related to your store. Locate and click on the option labeled My Store. This action will take you to the section where you can manage your products. Next, look for the button that says Plus Add Product. This button is typically positioned near the top of the My Store page. Clicking this will open a new window or section where you can choose the type of product you want to create. Once the new section appears, you will see several product options. Select the option labeled Custom Product. After selecting this, a drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose specific service types. Click on Ask Me Anything requests, audits, analyses, video reviews to specify the nature of your service. Now, you will need to enter your product name. In the provided text field, you may type an appropriate title for your service, such as Video Review Service. This name should clearly reflect the service you are offering to help customers understand what they can request. After naming your product, it is time to set the price. Locate the pricing section where you can input the amount you wish to charge for your service. Consider your target audience and the value of your service when determining the price. Next, you should add a description that explains the service you are offering. This description should provide potential customers with clear details about what they can expect, including any specific benefits or features of your service. Make sure this information is concise and informative. If you wish to enhance your product's appeal, you can upload an image. Look for the option that allows you to add an image, which could be a visual representation of your service or something related. This image can help attract customers and provide a more engaging presentation of your offering. Finally, after completing all the necessary fields, locate the button that says Publish or Save. Clicking this will finalize the creation of your service product. A confirmation message may appear indicating that your product has been successfully published. Customers will now see this service listed in your store, available for them to request and pay for. Ensure you check your store afterward to verify that the service appears correctly and is ready for customer engagement.